kaliwete. Bihira itong mga ganito partner ha. Parehas kaliwete. Oh. Medyo tumama yung red corner.
Matched as well, partner.
Alam mo, nilalakasan ng blue corner yung 1-2 niya. Kaya lang nakaka-step back itong si red corner. I think he needs to throw it 1-2-1. Diba?
Yes,
Or 2-1-2. Lalo pag, biglang tumalikod. Again, very dangerous.
Delikado yan.
Oo, dapat hindi ganon, ano? Dahil, yun, kagaya nun, medyo nalagyan siya dun. Oy, natamaan si Rep, partner ha? Sayang, hindi gaano naparuhan. Oy, nako, tinamaan doon si blue corner.
This is very...
Oy, nakita mo yung swabing step back, no? Nakagano, no? Nakaliyan, di? Parang si Pilita Corrales, partner.
Uy,
Suwabe yung
ganda ng step back niya.
Suwabe yung step back ni Red, ha? Uy, nice job by the red corner. Last 10 seconds.
10. This is a very intriguing first round. Ang hirap iskora na ito. Ganda.
Oo.
Straight, mukhang mabibigayan ng todo tong dalawa. Bubuhos ba nila?
Second round. Last round, final round. Yes ma'am, thank you. Kuha tayo pang my day partner. Maganda yung schedule ko dyan.
Hoy! Tuma-timing talaga. Hoy, yun!
Ano, very basic itong boxing ng red corner, no? In and out.
In out,
in
one,
and out, yun dito. Ano, walang ibang fancy moves, eh, no?
Wala.
Suntok alis lang. Yun, no? Abante, atras.
Abante atras, timing. Yun!
Pero
Hoy,
abot.
naabot.
Ayun!
Maging agresibo.
Dapat ganun kanina pa, jab straight jab, partner, para sa blue corner. Kasi yung jab straight niya short eh. So it needs to be jab straight jab.
Or, pumasok siya ng double jab.
Ayun, tinamaan siya ng napakagandang right hook doon.
Oh, 30 seconds.
30
Let's
seconds.
go.
Pero hindi nagmamadali si red corner, although he is
behind.
I mean, parang outboxing his opponent, but hindi siya he's taking his time.
Nice jab.
Pinupuntusan niya lang. Uy, nice. Sa tingnan mo yung go to the scorecard. Judge number 1 has scored about 20-18. He has it for the red corner. Judges 2 and 3 scored it 19-19. We have a majority draw.